What are compound operators? They are plus equal, minus equal, times equal, divide equal, and so on. They are originally from C language, but nowadays many computer programming languages use them. They work like this. X plus equal 10 means X equal X plus 10. Other operators work the same way. So we have X, a sequence from 0 to 5. X plus equal 10 means 10 through 15. How about add equal? Not sure? Consider this speech signal. I just opened WAV file. It says the RMS value of this signal is negative 19.9 dB. What do I do if I want to set it at negative 25? Then you can say X is equal to X at negative 25. But that's exactly the same if you just say X at equal negative 5. Let me show you. Open the WAV file again. So this is original X, then X at equal negative 25. There you go. The same result. How about at equal? In order to understand how this works, first we need to go over absolute RMS and relative RMS scaling. First, in this expression, we are setting the RMS of the signal X at negative 25 dB. This is an absolute value. On the other hand, in this expression, we are setting the RMS of the signal X at 5 dB relative to the RMS of another signal Y. And this value is a relative value. So now, X is equal to X at 5 means set the RMS of X at 5 dB above the RMS of X. In other words, increase the RMS of X by 5 dB. So we simplify this expression using at equal like this. X at equal 5. If you write X at equal negative 5, that means decrease the RMS of X by 5 dB. So we are increasing the RMS of X by 5 dB. See how the RMS values are changing. Increasing, oh, this is too much. Decreasing again, back to negative 25 dB.